Hello, James Grim Zero. Welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. To answer your question, it is an MMORPG. I'm starting up Unity right now. It takes a second, so I mean, if you guys don't mind watching an empty screen, I can pop over on my screen. Don't let the beaver fool you. I'm no longer on Bionic Beaver. I am now on Cosmic Cuttlefish. 1910. Oh, it is. Okay, let me turn that down then. How is that? Man, I was on Windows. It just takes forever to do anything on Windows. It really does. Yeah, I was on Windows last stream. If you go back into our videos after the stream, by the way, if you go into our videos after the stream, you'll see that I was on Windows last stream and decided to move away from Windows. You guys should hear less of my fans, by the way. We're just waiting for Unity to start up. Apparently, we have some more importing to do, which is fine. I think it's fixing some of our shaders, which is good. It's good. Plug them socials, bruh. By the way, I am not Cadalion Online. Cadalion Online is my partner, James. I have been a programmer for about 16, 17 years, somewhere around there. You know, let me get some Halls so I'm not coughing all up in your guys' ears. Ooh. There we go. Close that up. I said close it. Close it. I think I'm gonna end up removing Aura from the project. It just like seems like it. Look at this. Like, come on, man. All right, cool. So let's go ahead and remind everybody where we left off. This always takes a second. Alright. So as you can see, come on, get out of my face. There we go. Alright. Object is not set to an instance of an object. That's not good. Let's see if we can figure out why that's happening. Alright, let's go ahead and restart the game here. And then we'll pop back over and see. On the main camera up there, I can see a broken script, so that might be part of why it's not working properly. Seems to be working okay here. Although we're definitely not... Yeah, I need to turn that down. It's actually supposed to be hail, I think. Alright, so what broken script is this? Oh, it's because I have drain room turned off. Okay, that's why that's that way. We do. None. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. So now here, I think something happened with our bow. Default ammo, arrows. There's no muzzle flash because it's a projectile. Crosshair, bow in left hand. Nothing here. Take 01. Alright, where the F is the bow then? Bow 1 variant. There's the bow. We should be immediately equipping the bow. Wait a minute, we have 2 left shifts here. Actions 1 and actions 2. So this should be right trigger. Or right mouse button. So actions 2. What does actions 2 do? I think that allows us to aim. No. Actions 2. Oh, it's if I okay, so if it's up or down. Yeah, okay. That's fine. So this one is on start. We want to lock our mouse and equip our bow and arrows. And then we don't have our on mouse down left, on mouse up. Oh, okay, so there's our aiming, which would be actions 5 and 6. So 3 and 5. Wait a minute. Oh no, it is action 3 and 5. Okay, I'm a dummy. Okay, let's go ahead and we're gonna update Game Creator. We're on 1.112. Jesus. We have a couple of updates actually. You know what? That's not right. That's for sure not right. I am certainly not downgrading right now. But I said no. Alright. Anyway. So... yeah, we have a, we have a Discord where we post development stuff. I mostly stream all of the development. Sometimes I do things off stream though. And if anything funny happens, then we'll post a picture in Discord. It's generally a fun time. Alright, so first off I need to... That's help. Where's my window? There it is. General, where's my asset store? Asset store, here we go. So we'll update our packages to the newest version so we're not messing around with yeah, this needs to be updated to the new version. Hello, Lolly. So when that imports in, Game Creator will jump up and say, hey, there's a new version. So we just install the new version. Check for updates. Check now. Download 1.15. Okay, I need to sign into my account. It's not a big deal. Welcome to the channel, Lakeyor. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. We're just updating some of our stuff here, and so everything works properly. Alright, so next we're going to go backwards. We're going to download these guys again. We're just doing, like I said, we're just updating some of our modules here, and then we'll be good to go. The developer that puts together some of these easier, some of these modules to use are pretty nice, and they get updated very frequently, which is really good, because if anything, if any bugs pop up, that sort of thing, you want your stuff to be really nice, right? To update frequently and make sure that there are no bugs, that sort of thing. So that's always nice. Yeah, exactly. Frequent updates. Okay. Let's go ahead and go into our module manager and update our modules. Yeah, that would be shit. I mean, you would be amazed how many of them out there actually do have old packages. Okay, let's see. It looks like I'm gonna have to actually delete the stuff out of here and re-pull it in. Which is not that big of a deal. Alright, so Frank Archer, pull that back in. The MFYG or MYFG, which I can't say for some stupid reason. Alright, close up Clesius. Game creator, dialogue, inventory, modules. You know, let's just go ahead and delete the whole folder. I don't know if I want to do that. I don't know if I want to do that. That's you know, let's go into a new scene just so that that scene doesn't get messed up when I delete these. Alright, so first thing we need to do is re-import the original game creator package. This has a lot of things in there like character controllers, helpful scripts and stuff like that. All stuff that I don't need to write from scratch, which is really helpful when we're hold up. Game created data. Yeah, we need to delete those as well. Game creator data and the game creator update, I think. Oh, Linux is not gonna let me do that. Cool. It's fine, just delete one of them. It's running slow because it's consistently just racking up errors in the background because of the fact that I just deleted a dependency. So once we get this back to the point where it's no longer generating a bunch of errors in the background, we'll be fine. Alright, so now we can go ahead and import this and not have to worry about it saying that there's already files in here, which is very important to us. I'm not entirely sure I understand your question. I'm sorry. I might, you know what? I think I understand your question. Let me see if I can download this again, and I can actually show you guys. My apps, library. Sweet, updated that. But why not this stuff? Oh, because the gizmos are already there. That's okay, though. Let's sudo apt, oops. Sudo apt install VLC player. Okay. Are you still here, Lakeyor? I'll actually run you through this. That's not what I wanted. Oh, okay, cool. Sorry, I didn't know if you were there or not, that's all. Some people come, some people go. Cool. Video render. Where am I at? Why are you gonna mess with me? Alright. Browser, maybe? Yep. Cool. So you guys can see my desk. Let's see. Testing, testing. Testing, testing. Oh, you guys can hear me. Cool. Oh, you guys can hear me. Cool. Alright, how well can you guys hear me? Alright, how well can you guys hear me do this? How well can you guys hear me from just this? Do you need me to like turn it up or something? I can turn it up. All right, let's go ahead and go over amplification. All right, how about that? All right, perfect. It's a bit weird because I can hear my voice coming a bit later than I'm talking. Like a couple seconds, actually. Let me see. I'm gonna go ahead and pull Unity over here. All right. So I'll take you guys over and show you guys the server. Let me grab Twitch chat though. Or I'm not able to see Twitch chat. That's a pain. Alright, let me go ahead and take you guys over there. So you probably can't see anything. I'm cupping my phone weird. Alright. So this is Aphex 01. It's a Dell PowerEdge R610. I can wake this up actually and show you what's going on with it. So this is me messing around with the system, but it's actually probably because I set some stuff on the server. Yeah, it's because I set some. Oops, it's because I set something on the keyboard for the server. There we go. So that is the. See, so now it takes me back to the login page. So this is Aphex 01. You can see I just have some stuff plugged into a keyboard. This is the mouse section of things. Just a regular keyboard. This is our router. It is a Cisco 2120, I think. As you can see, the server also has redundancy power supplies. So for any reason one power supply goes out, it'll automatically switch to the secondary power supply. This is our Cisco router. As you see, it's got some cobwebs. This is my Pi-hole. That does a number of things. Protects us from advertisements. It protects us from phishing scams, all kinds of stuff. We have 10 terabytes of cloud storage on our network. And this is our light thing, which we can control the lights from our Amazon devices. This is our switch. You can see we have quite a few things plugged in and running. We're working on a couple of things. This is going to be a hardware firewall. It's going to prevent people from being able to get into the network and do things that we don't want them to do. This is going to sit in front of everything, so you can see it's got several ports. It's actually going to go into the in port here, and then it's got 2 out ports, and that'll sit on top of this, and will come into the switch, into this, sorry, and then this will go into the switch. So we'll have another cord coming from this to there, and then from there, or from this to there. And then we have another one of those, which I think is on my business partner's desk. There's my cat, by the way. Tomos. Hey, baby. We have a backup power supply. So if the power goes out for whatever reason, this thing kicks on and it will keep the server on for up to 20 minutes. It also powers our router and pretty soon our switch. That is the box we brought you home in, Kat. Yeah. That was many years ago, sweetie. Yeah, what's up?
They can't see anything. There's like something blocking the screen. There's something in front of the screen.
Oh, well, shit. Let me go fix that, guys. How long has nobody been able to see?
I saw when we first walked upstairs.
Oh, well, shit the bed, guys. Let me fix that. Oh, it's the Gaia system thing. I'm very sorry about that, guys. I didn't realize that was happening. Hang on, guys. I'll go back over there and I'll re-go through the spiel and show you guys. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see good now. So this is the, oops. This is our Proxmox server. It's the Dell R610. This allows us to have, yes, there's my cat, by the way. Tomos. Yeah? Yeah? So this is a Dell R610. It has two redundant power supplies. So if one of these power supplies go out, then the other one will pick up. We have a backup power supply. So if the power in the house goes out for whatever reason, it can run the server. This and the switch for up to 20 minutes. We have right about 10 terabytes of cloud memory throughout the entire house. So this is two of ours. This is a 2 and a 5, I think. So 2, 5, 5, 2, something like that. Yes, Tomo, I see you. There's our switch. It's got a bunch of stuff plugged into it. Our Cisco router. This is our Pi-hole. It blocks ads on our entire network. So if you were to come over to our house with your phone and log into our network, you wouldn't see any ads on your phone because that will block them. This is going to be a hardware firewall. It's going to sit in front of this. So that is the cord here. This one here is going to plug into this. This is going to go back into that. And that will block things from being able to get onto our network. I haven't finished the setup on that yet, but it'll be soon. Most of the stuff on that is going to get moved over to another one of these at some point. I have to buy another one of those. This is our this is the keyboard for the server. That controls our lights for the house. Yeah, so pretty neat little stuff. We have the Pi-hole router, hardware firewall, switch, 2 cloud storage devices, our thing that controls that. Backup power supply, server. This is Afix 01. We're going to get a couple more servers eventually, but I'm not entirely sure when we're going to do that, but yeah, eventually we'll have another one. And so yeah, that's the setup. And Cadalion will run on this guy. I actually have a system for that already set up. Alright, sorry, I'm back, guys. I just went and... a 24-hour cat stream, huh? She'd probably enjoy that. She's currently over here staring at me. Okay, I'm gonna grab some dinner real quick, guys. I'll be back in a minute. Yeah, good way to advertise the game, yeah, for sure. So yeah, anyway, like I said, I actually did not download that. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't, I don't know, I don't think I did. So anyway, I'm gonna grab me some dinner real quick. I'll be right back, like 10-15 minutes, if that. Alright people, I am back. Sorry about that short break. Hope you guys enjoyed the music while I was gone. Let's get back to fixing the project. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Oh. Okay, so now we just need to do the quests and the stats. Alright, let's go ahead and install these modules. Still importing stuff. Oh, the fucking interface broke again. I hate when it does that. I gotta switch tabs. Sorry about that. Go ahead and grab a haul so you guys don't have to hear me cough. So James, I'm assuming that Lake Your person is a friend of yours? That's cool. I'm just curious. It's not like it's anything huge. Alright, let's go ahead and enable the quests. Ooh, Nally. Shooter module, and then the stats, and then we should be able to test and see if that broke anything. If it broke anything, then I'm gonna have to go in and fix it, but not a big deal. I still need to redo most of these songs. Perfect. So now we can go ahead and open up our scene and see what the damage is. God, Unity is so damn slow, especially on their Linux port is just not super great for the editor. It's fine though. I mean, eventually we're gonna switch away from Unity anyway, so I'm not too worried about the long term. Effects of how this is going to impact development. We just want to get it to a point where we can show this off on Kickstarter, really, at the end of the day. So, hey, looky there. I'm a beast. Got everything back up and running. Yeah, well, I mean, it's hail. It's supposed to be hail. You know, it's hail. It's supposed to be allowed. But no, I definitely get you. Let's switch this over to something like, let's go snow. I'm just curious to see like what you know, like what kind of effects that the you know, like what the weather looks like. Oh, that's gonna look amazing in a weather, like in a winter area. That's gonna look so good. Do you want me to change this to a weather to a winter biome? do you want me to make a winter biome and I can add this to it? Jesus, what is going on? I think I'm gonna actually do one with the rain, because the rain looks amazing. It actually like hits the ground and makes splashes and stuff. It looks so good. Alright, now look. You can see it hitting the ground and everything. It's a little bit higher than I want it to be. And you can see it's kind of like floating above the ground a little bit, but it's like that all over the place, you can see. I'm curious to see what it looks like on slopes. Doesn't seem like it works too well on slopes. Okay, so it follows the player. The rain follows the player. As you can see when I'm standing here, you see that? Just some stuff to fix. His legs go a little wonky when running up hills. I'm gonna have to fix that. He looks great here, though. I think it's hitting the bow. Is what's happening. The bow should not have any the bow shouldn't have a collision mesh, but I think it does for some reason. Clickety, 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 click, 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 click. 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 Looks pretty, his rotation's pretty good. I do dig that. It feels amazing to be able to jump and just land in places like that. Yeah. Being able to jump into the place is just, the jumping feels really nice. Except when you hit your head. You see his leg? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's see if I can get a good picture of that one. You wanna clip it? Clip it. Somebody clip it. Hold up. Oh, it looks so good, dude. Alright. Somebody clip this. Do you know how to go to this stream dashboard? Oh my god, dude. Here, I'll take a print screen of it. There we go. Linux has a built-in one. It's a little heavy though. Shit. Did I permanently break it? That was fucking hilarious, dude. Hold up. I think I permanently broke his legs in certain areas. No, I fixed it. Okay. I'm like, what the fuck? No, what the fuck? There's just certain areas where his legs are fucked up now. Oh, that makes me so happy. What the fuck is that? Oh my god. Oh, it even screwed up the mouse sensitivity. Like, look at how quickly it's just, like, shooting. What? Why do you land like that? I gotta take another picture of that. Crouching camper, hidden sniper. I mean, it's not a huge deal, just some shit I gotta fix, but like... As soon as it goes back to... Oh my god. It's so hard to control. Alright, anyway, I will be back soon. I need to run and take my wife somewhere. The storm is really bad. But she absolutely needs this, so I do have to go for a bit. I won't be gone long. I will come back and continue work on this. Maybe, well, I'll probably do it on my own. I don't know if I'll stream it or not. There's a ton left to do on the server and stuff like that to get this back up to working condition. But I am happy with where we are. I mean, obviously there's some bugs, but I mean, you know, there's gonna be bugs. That's just the way things work. So, but anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next stream. Deuces.